If you are inactive at 40 and over, this is for you. This video is for you. I was just thinking of you. So stay tuned. All right. So I just met with a lady last night that just completed my second boot camp class. She was 65 years old. One of her friends referred her to my class, and she did pretty good. So, when you're 40 and older and you haven't been working out, it's pretty tough mentally to get back to working out because you're probably thinking about your former self, your 20-year-old, your 30-year-old self, and knowing that you're not at the same level. Don't fear, because right now at 40 and over, your body is getting worse. So you need to start doing something. Anything would be better than nothing right now, whether it's walking, whether it's going to a class, whether it's doing some weight training. You need to be doing something at 40 and older. It's so important for you to be doing something right now, because at this age, your body is getting worse and worse. I just turned 40 years old a few weeks ago, and I can't imagine being 40 years old and not working out. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm not the same level I was at 20 years old, of course, or even 30, but I'm still feeling pretty good because I work out and I stretch. I just had 2 kids, so I don't work out as much as I want to right now, but I will eventually return to what I really want to do. But I'm doing something every day. I'm doing some type of movement. I'm doing some type of stretching. So if you're 40 years old or older, you don't want to wait till the doctor force you to get to working out. You want to have a choice. You don't want to be forced to working out. It's going to feel that much harder if you're forced to work out because of your health. You want to choose to work out. Right now is the time for you to choose. If you're 40 and older right now, you want to choose to work out before it become a priority, before you're made to. You don't want to be made to work out. So right now is the time to choose to. But don't fear. You don't have to live up to anyone's expectation. You don't have to jump into it and go like you are 20 or 30 years old. Start at your own level. Start at what you can do. A small step. Start at what you can do at 40 and older to work out. Don't try to do what you used to do at 20 and 30, but start somewhere. You're 40 and older, you gotta be working out. It's so important right now for you to be working out. You don't want to be forced to work out at this age. You want to choose to work out. So doing anything, doing something, get active. If you're not working out right now, your body is dying. Okay? If you're not working out at 40 and older, you better believe you're losing muscle. You're losing energy. Okay? Your endurance is decreasing. Your heart is getting worse. Your heart is dying. It's a muscle as well, right? So right now in this age, you should be doing some type of walking, doing some type of strength training, and monitoring your eating. You should be doing these 3 things, the bare minimum. You should be doing these 3 things, because right now your body is only getting worse and worse if you're not doing some type of physical activity. But don't fear. Don't try to go back to where you used to be and think you have to do what you did at 20 or 30, because you don't. You're a different person right now. Your body is different. Your joints is different. You're not the same person. So don't try to think you got to do that same. Don't put those expectations on yourself, because that's an unrealistic expectation. Even me, I've been working out all my life for the most part, and I still can't do what I did at 20 or 30 because my joints is different. My heart is different. But can I still work out and push myself? Heck yeah, I can. I can work out. I can push myself. I can challenge myself. Now, if you're living in Pickering or Ajax, my boot camp is actually designed for people 40 and older. I have you in mind. You know why? Because I'm 40. I know how it feels to be 40, and I want to cater to 40 and older people. Now, if you're 30 or 20, you can come to my boot camp, but it's catered more for people my age and older, because I know there's a fear of working out because you feel like you're old. 40 and 50 and 60 years old, you're not old. If you're not working out, you might feel old, but you're not old at 40, 50, and 60. Some of my best clients are 50 and 60 years old. They're strong, they're healthy, and they're fit because they've been working out. So don't limit yourself and don't fear. If you're 40 years old, get on track. 50 or 60, whatever age, get on track and start doing something. You can do this. You can do it. You can do it. It's not too late. It's not too late. If you're 60 years old, guess what? It's not too late. You still have time. If you're 70 years old, it's not too late. You can do this. This was why I wrote a book called Raising the Bar at 50 and Older, because I wanted people 50 in order to know you can do this. You can still be fit at 50. There's people running marathons at 50. There's people doing triathlons at 50. You can still do this. Now, you don't have to do that, but you can do it. You can do this. You got this. And if you need any help, you always can contact me and ask you. No matter where you're at in the world, you can contact me, ask me a question, and I can help you do this. Because my goal and my passion is to help more people be fit at 40 and 50 and older. That's my passion, to help you to be fit, because you can do this. All right, this is LT Fit. Hope this helps you and motivates you. If you have any other questions, hit me up. I'm always here. Have a great day.